Okay, so we're at Sandown. It's 12:15. We have 5 runners. Juvenile hurdle. Markets are pretty flat, as you can see. I'm using small stakes to illustrate to new traders that you can make a decent return even with small stakes. You just need to know how to trade. If you can't trade with small stakes, you're never going to be able to trade with large stakes and make the real money. If you want to learn to trade the way I do, then check out the link in the description. And if you enjoy winning your football accumulators every single time regardless of the results, then check out akawinner.com, which is also in the description. But for now, we'll do some trading. So it's quite tricky with these ones to gauge, because you can see it's completely flat, the markets. I mean, they're going up and down, but there's no real directional movement. You can see the favourite is just about to peak above the 3 mark for the first time. You have to sort of gauge this and think, well, do you think it's going to continue? And you do that by looking at the other horses. And it looks like it's going to come back in again. So I'll just do a quick trade here, like that. And so they are making their way down to start here. And so I think I might just keep trading this point here, because we'll see if this, because you can see it's not trading above 3. Nobody seems to want to back it there, or lay it rather. But it's a huge stake there, so I'll just move this up here just to scratch that off, just to be sure. Basically, if you're not sure, if something happens that makes you go, oh, what's going to happen now? Just scratch it off. You've got thousands of opportunities coming up. So never ever feel like you've missed out, because you haven't. It's always better to scratch a trade than to hold it and end up in a huge losing position. So what I'm going to do is try and trade one here as well, because it does look like this might just keep going up and down and trading between the ranges as it is. So I'm going to pop a lay trade there again and put an exit trade there. There we go. And we'll see if this happens again. Because I mean, if it comes up and hits the 3 again, I mean that's like the 3rd or 4th time it's happened now. So I'll be surprised if it doesn't break through. So you can see I've been matched there as well. I'm using the offset tool here, so it automatically offsets my trade. So I'll place a little lay trade here, because you can see the favourites crashing in here. So I'll just place a couple of lay trades there to try and scalp off. So you can see both the favourite and the second favourite are both drifting out. But I do feel the favourite is going to keep coming in. So I'm going to back the favourite here. I'll stick a stop loss here just in case it goes, because it's moving quite fast, right? So just in case it crashes through. And I'll put my stop loss or my exit points. I'll stick it there just to get out for a small profit. So you can see the second favourite here is now reaching the 4. So I'll just pop my trade in there to exit. I might not reach it. We'll see. Yeah, I'll just drag it here, see if it. There we go. Okay, so with 40 seconds left on the clock, I'm just going to finish up there. Because obviously now Now, in the last minute or so, the price very much depends on which horse looks like it's going to be leading, right? And you can see the favourite Echo Watt is up front there. So it does look... So obviously that's why his price is coming in, because all the in-play traders are backing it in. But for me, that's me. I'm finished there. So it's a £3.65 return. There are well over 10,000 races a year. If you can average £3 per race, even just using £25 stakes like that, I mean, you'll be clearing 30 grand a year. So if you want to learn to trade the way I do and think the way I do about the market, then check out the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.